jump on here really quickly. I have a couple of new packages. If you are a fan of Traveler's Notebooks, you may know what this blue envelope is. This is from Chic Sparrow. It is a leather company that does all different products, but mostly Traveler's Notebooks. And then I also, on the Traveler's Chic Sparrow buy-sell trade group, purchased another TN, another Traveler's Notebook that is Chic Sparrow as well. So I'm gonna unbox both of these and show you what I got and what I'm gonna use them for. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do this one because it is already opened. I opened it when I was, before I was thinking about, hey, I should probably film this because I do know what this one looks like because obviously I bought it from the buy-sell trade group, but I haven't seen it in person, so I'm super excited. All right, let's see. Yes. All right, so this is a creme in chocolate, and so what that means is Chic Sparrow has a leather. This leather is thicker, as you can see up here, that the thickness of the leather is it's really nice, and it is a very pliable, bendy leather, and the color is in chocolate, and they have a couple other colors as well, but this is the one that I wanted to get, and I love that it has the stitched in pin loop, curved pin loop. That made me so happy. And here's the back. It does have some really cute freckles on this leather, which I think is amazing. Let me open it up so we can see the back, or all of it. This is beautiful, you guys. And then the leather on the inside, the inside of this feels very suede-y. And then of course there are a couple of pockets, and then there's a secretary pocket, and there are 4 elastics, obviously. So if you are new to Chic Sparrow, you know that, oh, this is not tied in a knot, so I need to do that. If you know Chic Sparrow, then you know that this is one of their most popular leathers, is the Creme, and this is, they've had this around for a very long time. However, it has gone through different names. I think the very first thing they named it was a creme brulee, with different you know, color variations. Obviously it's pretty much the same 3. It's always been like black, chocolate, and then the original like golden creme brulee color. But this is yeah, this is beautiful. All right, moving on. So love it. I'm gonna put that one to the side. Oh, I didn't tell you what I'm using this for. Okay, so I have a Hobonichi Weeks, and I know Hobonichi Weeks is not nearly as wide as this, but the length of it fits very well. And then, so I'm gonna put my Hobonichi Weeks in here on either a string, or I don't know, I might stick it on the back of a pocket or what have you, but that gives me the option then to also carry a couple other inserts with my Hobonichi Weeks as my everyday carry. So there is that. So that is what I'm using that for. The next thing is the actual order that I got from Chic Sparrow. This was one of the happy accidents that they call. Yes, this one was a happy accident. Make sure I'm not cutting anything. And so anyways, I jumped on it because I really wanted to try this leather. All the videos that I've seen from it is amazing, and so I'm really hoping, I'm excited. So let's open it up. And this is their product warranty card that you get with all of their Traveler's Note, or I guess all of their products now. And then there's the sticker. They always include a sticker. It's off to the side. And open it up. Oh. Okay, you guys, so this is an A5 in Scout, and oh my gosh, you guys, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously. And so maybe that's why it's a happy accident. I don't know. Maybe that is, I don't know. It might be a scratch, but it's on the back, so I'm not really worried about that. Let me open it up. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. That is so cool. So I did ask for a glossy leather with just a few, what do they call this? Desert Sun. So these little things down here where the lines are very close together, that is called Desert Sun. And so it kind of reminds you, because it, you know, it's kind of looks and kind of feels kind of drier than the rest of the leather. Like the rest of the other leather is really smooth, aside from these little parts. And so I just asked for just a little bit of Desert Sun, but mostly smooth glossy leather with a few lightning strikes. Look at that, you guys. This does not bother me at all, like at all. Although, you know what, I wonder, let's look inside. Okay, so this is the inside. So there are cascade pockets, and then the inside is also chocolate creme. So it's a oh guys, it's the rounded pin loop as well. That's exciting. I wasn't sure if I would get the rounded pin loop or if I would get the removable pin loop, but I got the rounded one. The inside of the leather is very, it's not suede at all. It's pretty, it's got a lot of texture to it, but it does not feel like suede at all. These pockets are amazing. I love it. I'm so excited to use this. So I am going to be using this for my Hobonichi cousin, and if I want to add any other additional inserts, I will. I like to have different sizes just in case, you know, I choose to not stay with a Hobonichi all year, or if I just want to change things up and put an insert in and journal or plan that way, then I will. So, well, you guys, this was it. This was my unboxing of my Chic Sparrows that I have, that I just got. I do have other Chic Sparrows, and maybe if you're interested, I could do another video on that if you want to see other Chic Sparrows that I own. But this is my unboxing for today. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use both of these. As if you could tell, I'm a brown girl. I really like the darker browns as well. So yeah, I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to use these. All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.